the push and pull factors which cause industrialists to relocate their factories. Do you know why industrialists in Hong Kong relocate their factories in South China? When an industrialist wants to set up a factory, he or she needs to consider many factors. In order to earn more, he or she will try to find a place where production costs will be low. These factors are called locational factors. For example, there are many attractions in the mainland of China which pull the factories in Hong Kong to relocate there. These attractions include cheap labour and land rent, less strict control on pollution. Favourable conditions are given to Hong Kong manufacturers. Industrialists know the place and have good connections. We call these factors pull factors. However, if industrialists set up their factories in Hong Kong, they have to face some problems. These problems include high wages and land rent, and the strict government control on pollution, which requires industrialists to spend more to buy equipment to clean up waste products. All these increase production cost. These problems will push industrialists to move factories out of Hong Kong. We call these factors push factors.